forget to subscribe if you like the content, right? If you watch my channel a lot and you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you think you subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe. And yeah, let's get into some carpet cleaning talk. So a lot of people that I know that watch my channel have been going through YouTube, came across my channel because they're interested in starting a carpet cleaning business, or maybe they got different options, and this is one of the options. You know, they're just checking it out. All right, so one of the main questions would be, obviously, how good of a business model is it, and can you be successful and make a good amount of money doing this business? And yes, you can. So think about this business, and I've done other businesses or other videos about this business, about how technology is changing and we're going into this automated AI world to where, I'd say 5 years, but that's even a long time. Within a year or two, a lot of these jobs are going to be disappearing, and people that haven't spent a lot of money.
In 1 mile at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Sorry about that, guys. The thing's always really loud, too. Or they've been in a career for a long time that AI is pretty much helping so much that these companies are cutting down on staff, right? Maybe instead of 10 people, they only need 2 people, okay? So if you're in the digital world, okay, that's a concern that you should be having. Any business model or job title that you can imagine could be replaced by AI will be. So prepare ahead. So if you're younger, you still got time, guys. And if you're younger, you're in your 20s, you know, you're born into this environment, right?
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
This technology. Older generations like myself and older, you know, we didn't have all of this stuff, right? So a lot of people older can't adapt to AI and all the technology that's going on. It's really hard for them to do. And as you know, if you're in this business,
For about 17 miles, continue straight.
some customers don't even have a cell phone, or they won't, or no email. They don't text, you know. It's a generation, right? So basically, the thing about the service industry, carpet cleaning, it's AI proof. Okay? It's AI proof, especially in residential. Now, commercial, you never know. It might be robots doing all that stuff. But residential is AI proof, so job security is there. Okay? So as far as how much money you can make, you know, as being a owner-operator, a single van, a single machine, you can make between $100,000 and $200,000 a year, you know, owner-operator, okay? So of course you got write-offs and stuff like that, and taxes, right? But, you know, your gross is gonna be between those ranges, okay? So, once you get your pricing down, you can figure that out, right? Pricing for a typical carpet cleaning company is kind of all over the map, right? Depending where you live at in the United States, or wherever you live in. I got students in other countries, okay? I've got students in the UK. I got students in Canada. I got students all over. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, pricing can be different, so you got to figure that out. So here in the United States of America, the typical price will be between $25 and $50 a room if you're going to go by room. All right. Here in California, Central Coast, $50 a room is the average. All right. This is what I charge. Pricing model's a little different than that, but that's what I would tell somebody basically. All right. you're gonna have a standard pricing model. You can get that figured in. I help you with that in Green Rhino Academy, by the way. Okay, so that pricing, money to be made, job security. Okay, so let's talk about equipment. Okay, one big concern, right? Some people might not have a van. Okay, if you get a van, you can get a used van between probably around 8,000 up. All right, just be smart when you buy one. Okay, my first van I bought for $5,000. Still have it to this day. Okay, these eco vans, these economy vans, they go a long ways. So the van itself can cost you about that much, all right? Then the equipment's going to cost you between $1,800 for everything you need to clean carpet. Remember that that number, $1,800, up to about $23,000. All right, that's for a truck mount. Okay, steam, gasoline powered truck mount you would put into a van. So people think about that now and they're like, wow, I don't got that money. I don't even got good credit, you know. I hear you. Been there. Listen, that $1,800 can get you started, all right? And you can offer low moisture carpet cleaning. Okay, so the equipment for that is substantially lower. You can do residential and commercial with that. And it's basically, if you ever heard of ChemDry, they're a pretty well-known franchise, been around forever. Forever is a good check mark there, because if it wasn't a good process, they wouldn't have been around forever. A lot of people prefer low moisture carpet, okay? And a lot of people just don't care as long as the carpet is clean. Okay, there's only a small percentage of people that are really picky. But they won't call you. If you advertise low moisture carpet clean, 1-2 hour dry time, they won't call you anyway. So you don't have to worry about that. So a good way to start out. And also, by the way, guys, with that $1,800 package, with the buffer, the pads, and everything you need to get started, it's smaller. So you don't have to jump right into a van right away. So say you got a truck. There you go. Load up in the back of your truck, go to your job. When I worked for ChemDry, when I was a teenager, I had a truck. Right? They didn't have vans. I used my truck. Okay? I would load the equipment in the back of my truck, go out and do my jobs, and return the equipment at the end of the day. All right? So if you're in business for yourself, use your truck. Okay? There's a lot of equipment out there, but I do recommend certain products, and I have worked with companies that way. They're not giving you products or equipment that's not going to cut it, right? And it's competitively priced also. So Magic Wand Company is a company that we got a kind of a working partnership with, because he likes to help entry-level carpet cleaners or people that just get in the industry, and that's what I do too. So we got together, we got some packages and some equipment together that'll fit any budget, really. All right, so that's your solution to not having a lot of money to start the carpet clean. You tell me any other carpet clean or any other business you can start with $1,800 and have a potential to make between $100,000 and $200,000 per year. Okay, not many guys. And then once you build your clientele, then you'll have that money coming in, and then you can go ahead and step it up to maybe an electronic truck mount, which is between $6,000 and $8,000. Right? You got different packages for heat and all that stuff. Or you can step it up to a gasoline truck mount like what I have. All right. So these are a lot of the main questions, right? There's a lot more, of course. Green Rhino Academy is my school. This is specifically for teaching people wanting to start a carpet cleaning business how to build the proper carpet cleaning business so it does not fail. All right, because there's mistakes everybody makes, and when you're done, you think it's obvious, but as you're going through, everybody makes them. And I teach you to just go around all those obstacles, right? So you succeed.
In about 10 miles, turn right onto Cabrillo Highway.
Right, so you want to take that learning curve from this to this. I mean, that's what's good. They say intelligent people learn off other people's mistakes. So that's what Green Rhino Academy is to do that. So it teaches you everything about carpet cleaning too, by the way, guys. Chemistry, process, along with the main course, which is starting the carpet cleaning business 101. I have tile cleaning, it comes with it. I have upholstery cleaning, it comes with it. I have how to do your own SEO. I teach you how to build your own website for next to free. I mean, as far as building it, it's free. Okay, you pay somebody else, it costs you thousands of dollars. And I teach you how to run your own ads and just everything you need. That's why Green Rhino Academy is so successful, and I have so many students that became full-time carpet cleaners. Started as a side hustle, and now some are killing it better than me, making more money than me, more vans, everything, because maybe their area where they live is more populated, and they're, so that does matter too. Okay, so anyway, if you want to learn more about it, link below, all my videos. Hit that link, go straight to the Green Rhino Academy and learn more about it. All right, guys. Great business. I love it, and I know you will too.